these foods that harm your blood sugar and age your joints and skin faster? Some are even deceptively marketed to you as healthy by giant food corporations. Avoid or minimize these foods and you could look 5 to 10 years younger than your real age. Due to biochemical reactions in your body that occur with every type of food you eat on a daily basis, some foods actually age you faster than your real age, while other foods help to fight aging. Eat the wrong foods regularly and you can look and feel 10 or more years older than your real age, which is not fun. Nobody wants that. But if you eat the right foods and over time, you can start to look 5 to 10 years younger than your real age. 3 of the processes that go on inside your body that have a major impact on the rate of your aging are called glycation, inflammation, and oxidation. When we talk about aging, we're not just talking about wrinkles on your skin or how thick your hair is. We're also talking about factors that you can't see, such as how well your organs function and whether your joints are degrading or not. Yes, I'm sure you'll agree that this is much more important than just how you look superficially, although I'll show you how to improve both in this video. With the title of this video, you might have guessed that obvious answers like sugar or trans fat would be what I talk about in this video. Yes, we already know that those are bad, but I want to discuss another food that ages your body faster than normal, and it's one that you might not expect. So let's dig right in and I'll show you how your rate of aging can be directly related to the foods you might be eating every day and how to protect yourself. So the number one food that ages you faster are wheat-based foods. Yes, even whole wheat that's supposed to be healthy for you. Before I tell you why wheat can actually speed up the aging process in your body, let's clarify some simple biochemistry in your body. This deals with glycation in your body and substances called advanced glycation end products, or AGEs, ironically. These nasty little compounds called AGEs speed up the aging process in your skin, including damage over time in your organs, joints, and of course, wrinkled skin. So with that said, what is one of the biggest factors that increase production of AGEs inside your body? This may surprise you, but high blood sugar levels over time dramatically increase age-accelerating AGEs in your body. This is why type 2 diabetics many times appear that they have aged well and look older than their real age, have not aged well rather. But this age increasing effect is not just limited to diabetics. So let's get back to why whole wheat relates to this. Here's a little known fact that's often covered up by massive marketing campaigns by giant food companies that want you to believe that whole wheat is actually healthy for you. But the fact is that wheat contains a very unusual type of carbohydrate not found in other foods called amylopectin A, which has been found in some tests to spike blood sugar higher than even table sugar. In fact, amylopectin A from wheat raises your blood sugar more than almost any other carbohydrate source on earth based on blood sugar response testing that's documented in many studies. This means that whole wheat-based foods such as breads, bagels, cereals, muffins, and other baked goods often cause much higher blood sugar levels than most other carbohydrate sources. If you don't believe me, here's something you should know. I've seen personal blood tests with clients using a blood glucometer about 45 minutes after eating 2 slices of wheat bread versus eating a bowl of oatmeal with equivalent grams of carbs. The blood sugar test results: 2 slices of whole wheat toast 45 minutes after consumption, blood sugar spiked from 87 fasting level to 155. The bowl of oatmeal, blood sugar from 87 to only 112. As you know, the higher your average blood sugar levels are over time, the more advanced level glycogen end products are formed inside your body, which makes you age faster, as we've come to find out. Clearly, the whole wheat spiked blood sugar much higher than the oatmeal, and if you don't know, 155 is a massive blood sugar reading that will certainly contribute to faster aging if you eat wheat frequently. You've probably also heard about the potential health damaging effects of gluten, another problematic compound in wheat that can cause inflammation in your digestive system. In the news recently, but this blood sugar aspect we just covered is not talked about that often and is yet another reason to reduce or eliminate entirely wheat-based foods from your diet. Your body will thank you by aging slower and looking younger and feeling better and having it'll be a lot easier for you to lose weight. Losing body fat is just another fun side effect of eliminating or reducing wheat from your diet. Another problem with wheat-based foods and aging, as it turns out, baked wheat products contain carcinogenic chemicals called acrylamides that form in the brown portion of bread, cereals, and muffins. These carcinogenic acrylamides have been linked in studies to possible increased risk of cancer and accelerated aging. Note that acrylamides are also found in high levels in other brown carb sources such as French fries and other brown starchy foods. Don't worry though, there's a trick that you can use to protect yourself from these carcinogenic acrylamides. And it has to do with eating the right foods that counteract damage from these nasty chemicals. Foods like coconut oil, foods high in saturated fat, fruits and vegetables, obviously you're always gonna be at the top of the list. And you also wanna watch out for other foods like soy, any of the canola oil, vegetable oils, that type of stuff. Of course, limit alcohol. But let's stick to this video, whole wheat based products. Try to eliminate them or reduce them significantly. Your body will thank you, your health will thank you, and as a side benefit, you're gonna look and feel ages younger. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe for more tips.